How do you say open the door in Igbo language? Open, mepe. Open the door, mepe ụzọ. Close, mechie. Close the door, mechie ụzọ. Open the door for me, mepere m ụzọ. Close the door for me, mechiere m ụzọ. Open this door for me, mepere m ụzọ a. Close this door for me, mechiere m ụzọ a. Open that door for me, mepere m ụzọ ahụ. Close that door for me, mechiere m ụzọ ahụ. I want you to open the door for me. Achọrọ m ka ị mepere m ụzọ. I want you to close the door for me. Achọrọ m ka ị mechiere m ụzọ. Come and close this door. Bịa mechie ụzọ a. Come and open this door. Bịa mepee ụzọ a. So if that door is ụzọ ahụ, how do we say come and close that door in Igbo language? Let me see it in the comment section. Ready?